Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome to my beauty space. My name is Jenny. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. If you want to learn how to recreate it and get ready with me, then just keep on watching. Alright my loves, let's get started. I have like about an hour and 30 minutes to get ready. We are going on a date. Correction, I'm going on a date with my husband tonight. Sorry, I'm not bringing you guys along. You guys are just getting ready with me, okay? We're gonna start off by priming our eyes. I'm gonna be using the Morphe eyeshadow primer. We're just gonna go ahead and apply this to our lid. It's gonna help the eyeshadow stick and last longer and avoid creasing. Alright my loves, so for today's makeup look, we are gonna go into this beautiful palette right here. I have been using it, I'm not gonna lie, I have been using it, I just haven't been able to upload the video for you guys because I've been like crazy busy. Like I told you guys on my video, the 10 facts about me, I'm a medical assistant, so aside of YouTube, I do have my regular job, and right now it's been very wild, you know, with the short staff going on and just training and stuff like that. Like I haven't had time to actually sit here and finish editing my stuff and upload and stuff like that. Please forgive me. Let's move on. Anyway, we're gonna go in with the fluffy Sigma brush. Did I just spit? That's gross. Sorry, excuse me. Sorry. Okay, let's get it together. I am gonna go in with my Sigma brush, okay? I'm gonna grab this color right here. I am not saying the word, but that one. I'm going to apply it on my crease and just a little bit higher. All right, loves, let's intensify. We are gonna grab this color right here with a MAC 221 brush, and we are going to focus that on this part of the eye only. Now we can bring the color a little bit towards the inner if we want to, but let's focus just here. With an R39 brush from Morphe, we are gonna grab this color right here and really intensify that crease. Now we're gonna go into this color right here, and using dabbing motions, we're just gonna stay on our outer corner of our lid. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean my lid with this super white concealer. This is the Maybelline Master Conceal. Now we're gonna grab this mint color right here and apply it to our lid. So I went ahead and I did my eyeliner and applied lashes off camera. For liner, I am using the Inglot Gel liner in the color black. And for lashes, I am using some of my favorites. These are the 113 Ardell lashes. We're gonna move on to the skin now. I'm going to prime with this e.l.f. primer. Forever and a day, I was looking for this. Everywhere I would go, it was either sold out or not available. So I finally got it, and I have been using it for like a week now, and I am, you guys, like obsessed. I love how it feels on the skin. It's pretty awesome. If you guys wanna try it, I think you guys will very much like it. So for foundation today, I'm gonna go in with an oldie but a goodie. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I used to use this foundation a very long time ago, and I stopped using it for a good, probably 6 years. And I recently just started using it again, and I love it just like I used to. This foundation is everything. For concealer, I am going to be using the Jeffree Star Concealer. I am in the color C9. I just go ahead and apply this in the areas where I need it, which is just mainly under my eyes. To set my under eye area, I am going to go in with the Jeffree Star Banana Powder. So to set the rest of my skin, I'm going to go in with my MAC Studio Fix powder. For bronzer, we're going to be using the MAC Your Wish Is My Command bronzer. It looks like that. Such a beautiful color. I'm obsessed. It's like one of my current favorite bronzers at the moment. Love it. So for blush, we're going to use this Morphe Trio. This is the Pop of Coral. We're going to use the color Boss. So before applying some highlight, we're going to go into the Morphe Setting Mist. For highlight, we're going to use One Jump Ahead. This one is the Aladdin collection with MAC. Sure what I want to do for the under eye area yet. I'm kind of feeling very inspired with my background. Let's do blue. So we're going to grab this color here and apply it on our lower lash line. So we are going to apply color to our inner corner, so we're going to use this color right here. Now we are going to apply some mascara, and of course we're going to be using my L'Oreal Voluminous False Lash Mascara. So for my lips, I'm going to go in with the color Kristen from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Alright my loves, so this is it. This is the final look. I really hope that you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, but most importantly, don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful. I love you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.